Happy New Year, my V family all over the world. This is your chief wishing you a very happy New Year on the 2nd of January, because I know that you guys are not going to be focused on my New Year message, simply because you will be receiving thousands of messages from relatives who've never spoken to you for 1 year, from long lost friends, memes, pictures, emojis. Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year. All right, but my New Year message is a bit different, guys. Firstly, all right, Happy New Year. 2020 is now behind us, and I want to thank each one of you for your loyalty to the great ones, Japadas Bismarck, Dato Sri Vijay Ishwaran. I want to thank you for going out there, paying the price, doing the presentations, handling the challenges, all right, to protect the dreams of your downlines, to make your dreams a reality. And I just want to say thank you. And I love you guys. And we're starting 2021, guys. It's a brand new year. I wish you abundance of good health, happiness, all right, that you achieve your goals, whether it's max out or even bigger, that your dreams become a reality in 2021, and recognizing the fact that for this year to be different, to be better, to be more amazing, 2021, the answer is you have to be different. You have to change. You have to pay a bigger price. You have to be amazing to make this year amazing, guys. So as your chief, as your upline, as your brother, all right, I'm giving you a new level of commitment from me in 2021. We are going to raise the bar higher. We are going to take things to the extreme. We're going to push ourselves out of the comfort zone every single day in the Qnet, Q lifestyle. All right. And as much as 2021 has started, you guys have to decide when you want to start 2021. Because I know 1st January you made some promises, resolutions, but that's not enough. I need you to make the decision when you're going to start 2021 seriously. Now, you are in week 1, guys. Week 1 of 53 weeks or 52 weeks. I'm not sure. Week 1 simply means that how can you start week 1 without clarity on your full year TAT, your target financially, BVs, the number of downlines earning, everything, all right? Your 2021 TAT has to already be concluded by now, like I spoke to you in December. And you need to start sending me, those who are in the TAT zone with me, your TAT for week 1. You have to send to all your uplines, as you always do your TAT for week 1. We are in week 1, final week of the bonanza. So push it. So this is your chief wishing you a very happy new year from my family to you, your family, your downlines. I love you guys. 2020 is over. You're starting a new journey with 2021. So wake up, smell the coffee. This year will be different because you will be different. I love you guys.